Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.10, Problem 19. This is Section 4.10, Problem 19. It says, Larry Letfoot heard that the speed limit in Canada is 120. He is eager to take his 1970 muscle car up to Canada so he can drive 120. Larry's mom points out to him that the speed limit in Canada is 120 kilometers per hour, not 120 miles per hour. Use the fact that 1.6 kilometers equals 1 mile to help Larry convert the Canadian speed limit into miles per hour. So, what we have is 120, and that's in kilometers per hour. And I want to multiply that times something so I get miles per hour. So first of all, the 120 kilometers, we can put hours under the whole thing. You can write it either way. So we have kilometers per hour. So now, I'd like that kilometers to cancel, so I want it to be in the denominator because it's already in the numerator and I want to cancel it. And I have the fact that 1.6 kilometers is equal to 1 mile. And now if I do that multiplication, kilometers in the numerator, kilometers in the denominator will cancel. I'll have miles in the numerator and hours in the bottom. So I'll have miles per hour. This is what I want. So as I multiply, what happens is I have 120 miles. It's 120 miles over 1.6, and after I cancel the units, hours. I'll abbreviate a little bit. So what you'd want to do with a calculator is do that division. Enter the numerator of 120 divided by the denominator of 1.6, and the calculator will tell you pretty quickly that's 75. And I have miles in the numerator, hours in the denominator. So this has 2 units at a time, which is okay. So what initially seemed like it'd be really cool, 120, it's 120 kilometers per hour. It's really just 75 miles per hour, which is not that special. So Larry will probably stay home.